Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will continue our chapter 11 triangle and its properties. In this today we will discuss about triangle inequality properties. That is iron. Inequality properties. What is this in this property? In a triangle ABC, we know that we have three sides AB, BC and AC. What is the triangle inequality property? That is sum of any two sides. Suppose I take side AB plus BC should be greater than from the third side. AB plus BC greater than AC. AB plus AC should be greater than BC. BC plus AC should be greater than AB. These all conditions should be true for having this one figure as a triangle. If the measurement of any three side is given to you, suppose it is given to you AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 3 centimeter, AC is equal to 2 centimeter. And we want to check it that is it possible to construct a triangle from these given side or not. So we have to check this triangle inequality property, that sum of any two sides should be greater than from the third side. If these given sides fulfill this condition, then there is a possibility to construct a triangle from these, otherwise not. Check it now. AB plus BC, that is 8 centimeter, 5 plus 3 8. In first case 5 plus 3 8 greater than 2, right? 3 plus 2 greater than 5, wrong. 5 plus 2 greater than 3. These two conditions true, but this one condition is false. It means it is not possible to construct a triangle from these three given sides. But if here is 4, then you can construct 5 plus 3 greater than 4, right? 3 plus 4 greater than 5, right? 5 plus 4 greater than 3, right? Then from these given sides we can construct a triangle easily. Now see how we will use this property in our question. What is the property? That sum of any two sides should be greater than from the third side. See here, example first. In each of the following there are three positive numbers. State if these numbers could possibly represent the measure of the length of the side of a triangle. It is given to you three sides 2.5, 1.5, 4. Is it possible or not? In the similar manner we will solve it. 2.5 plus 1.5 should be greater than 4. Then it becomes 4 greater than 4. This condition is false. It means from these given measurement we cannot draw a triangle. Okay. Similarly you can check for the other question. Now see the next example. O is a point in the exterior of triangle ABC. There is one triangle ABC. ABC is a triangle. O is the exterior point. Here it is connected to it also. What symbol greater than, less than or equal? Greater than, less than or equal. Will you use to complete the statement OA plus OB fill in the blanks AB. Write two other similar statements and show that. You have to show that OA plus OB plus OC greater than half of AB plus BC plus C. We have to show that from this statement. See in this, firstly see this condition. OA, OB, OA, OB, AB. It means in triangle AOB, OA and OB are two sides, and sum of two sides should be greater than from the third side, because it is given to you that this is a triangle. So we can use the triangle inequality property that sum of any two sides in a triangle will be greater than from the third side. It means here we will use the sign greater than. Now we want to show that OA plus OB plus OC greater than equals to this. For this we take another triangle in triangle BOC. In BOC, OB plus OC greater than BC. We can write down, this is first equation, second equation, and third equation we take triangle. In triangle we take OAC or AOC. We can write down OA plus OC greater than AC. We need in the right hand side AB, BC and AC. So we can write down these three equations. Now by adding all these three equations, by adding equation first, second and third, add it, then you got OA plus OB plus OB plus OC plus OA plus OC is equal to, greater than AB plus BC plus AC. If you see properly, it becomes twice of OA plus OB plus OC. OA twice OA, OB twice OC and OC twice OC is equal to, greater than AB plus BC plus AC. Now we need twice, it means we can divide by 2 to both sides. Both equation divide by 2, then it becomes OA plus OB plus OC greater than. It becomes half AB plus BC plus AC or CA is a similar thing, same thing. So this time we will solve or we will use the triangle inequality property. Okay, let's see now discuss exercise. In exercise 11th, first question is, state with reason in which of the following cases triangles are not possible. In this question we will solve in the similar manner that firstly we will check sum of two sides. Sum of any two sides should be the greater than from third side. If these all three conditions true, then we can say this triangle is possible, otherwise not. O is any point within a triangle ABC. There is one triangle ABC. O is any point here. Whose sides are 4 cm, 5 cm and 7 cm. Sides are 4 cm, 5 cm and 7 cm respectively. Prove that OA plus OB plus OC greater than 8 cm. See here, we can say any side 4 cm, 5 cm, 7 cm. Then OA plus OB. Okay, now see, in the same manner as you solved the example already, we will discuss it, we will solve it in triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, you can write down that OA plus OB greater than AB. It means OA plus OB greater than 4 centimeter. This is equation first. Second, in triangle BOC, OB plus OC greater than BC. So we can write down OB plus OC greater than 5 centimeter. This equation second. Third, in triangle AOC, OA plus OC greater than AC. That is OA plus OC greater than 7 centimeter. Third. Similar way, we will add all these equations, then you will get twice of OA plus OB plus OC greater than 4 plus 5 plus 7. Then it becomes twice of OA plus OB plus OC greater than 16 centimeter. Divide by 2 both sides, then it becomes OA plus OB plus OC greater than 8 centimeter. So this type we will prove it. The last question, now see 11th. Next question, in triangle ABC, P is a point on the side BC. In triangle ABC, P is a point. Complete each of the statement below using symbol this so as to make a true statement. AP, AB plus BP. See, where is AP? AP this one, AB plus BP. Then sum of any two sides should be greater than. But AP here given to you, it means sign from less than. So we can say AP less than AB plus BP. Okay, AP then AC plus CP. Similar, less than. AP AB plus AC plus BC. What will be the sign here? See here. If you add both equations, then it becomes 2AP. Twice of AP less than AB plus AC already BP plus CP. BP plus CP becomes BC. Then you can write down that twice of AP less than from it, then obviously AP less than from it also. अगर इसका twice इससे smaller है, then obviously single value is also smaller than this. So this type you will solve your exercise 11th. There is some more question related to this. You can do. Okay. Now your 11th chapter, triangle and its properties, complete. Do properly in your notebook. Okay students, now thank you. Have a nice day.